Hi, welcome to Cecily Studio YouTube channel. I'm on the Huckleberry Trail in Blacksburg, Virginia. We're starting off the Coal Mining Heritage Park. And there are a couple of places where you can park here. As also, they have handicap parking. And this is what I would call part one of the section that I'm looking at, the Huckleberry Trail. So if you go this direction, you're going towards Christiansburg, and you go towards the bridge, and you're going towards Blacksburg. So we started to go along the trail, and we had a little stream or creek, whatever you want to call it, alongside of us. Very flat, not too wide, and we're surrounded by the woods. It was very, very pretty. And we also saw a way for someone to come in from another neighborhood. It was a little bit of a slope. So after being on that for about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe less, we went to High Top and Huckleberry. And this is a big graveled area. It said state maintenance, but I don't know if you can park there or not. But anyway, we went along the road here, and it was very, very flat. Again, about 10 minutes, yeah, maybe it was 15 minutes out and back. Followed along a pretty stream. Again, it was very, very flat. And then we got to this trailhead, and this trailhead is the Warm Hearth Village. It seems like there's a lot of parking here, but you might block someone's driveway. So here it is. They had a really great map, so that's what I'm using this map for. So again, we started along the trail. It was pretty flat, and again, a little babbling creek or stream was next to us. Lots of benches that have been donated by people in the area. Really, really nice. And lots of foliage. As you can see, it's still fall here. So this is mile marker 4 miles, so for the Huckleberry Trail. And again, really pretty. What I liked about this though is then you started to see a farm. So you all of a sudden were in the middle of a farm and rolling hills, lots of nature, lots of birds, enjoying all of the landscape here. And then there's some cows, but the unfortunate thing is that's 460, so it was loud in my opinion, and it kind of got to you after a while, even though you have such a beautiful landscape on your left, at least as we're walking in, it was on our left. On our right was just a roaring highway, so that was kind of a disappointment. Very hilly at this point too, and then all of a sudden there's this trailhead in the middle of nowhere, and a mile marker 0, so I'm not sure exactly how all of that worked out, but it was very beautiful. You're going to see a lot of farmland and cows and just a lot of pretty pictures, but again, you're following along 460. So finally I got to Price Fork. Off Price Fork is Blacksburg Fire Department. You go past it immediately on your right. You can go behind it and park. At least that's my understanding. So this would be part 3. And this is very, very pretty. You hear Price Fork as a road, but it's not as loud, and it's a lot more peaceful, and you're middle of country, and you're surrounded by 2 fences, which I appreciated. So you see the cows on one side, but there's the fence. See how you're protected, if not they're protected, as you're walking along. So here's the Huckleberry Trail. Really, really beautiful. Highly recommend checking out. This part 2 is pretty hilly, and this is where we started off. So thanks for tuning in, liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I hope you get to check out the Huckleberry Trail, this part in Blacksburg. Take care.